Hey there, math wizards! Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, the coolest place to boost your brain power. Today, we are diving into the world of equations, where we'll learn to unlock the secrets of solving simple equations. Buckle up for an adventure in math magic. First up, let's tackle one-step equations. Imagine these are the superheroes of math, super quick and easy. One-step equations involve only one operation to solve. Like this: 4 plus x equals to 9. To find x, we just need to subtract 4 from both sides. Easy peasy. X is equal to 5 inch. Here's a cool example. 7 plus y equals to 12. Can you guess what we do to find y? That's right. Just subtract 7 from both sides. We've got our answer: y is equal to 5. Let's try another one. How about 2 plus a equals to 8? This time, we subtract 2 from both sides, and voila! We've got the value of AA is equal to 6 inch. Last one for one-step equations. 6 minus b equals to 2. We add 6 to both sides. And there it is, b revealed. b is equal to 8. You're getting the hang of this. Now, let's level up our math skills with two-step equations. These are like math ninjas, a bit trickier, but still totally conquerable. 2 steps, and you've got it. Check out this equation. 3x plus 5 equals to 11. Step 1. Subtract 5 from both sides. Now we have 3x is equal to 6. Step 2. Divide by 3. We've cracked the code. X is equal to 2 inch. Ready for a ninja challenge? Here's 2y minus 7 equals to 11. First, add 7 to both sides. Now we have 2y equals to 18. Then, divide by 2. We've unraveled the mystery of y. Y is equal to 9 inch. Final ninja move. Let's solve 4z plus 9 equals to 21. Step 1. Subtract 9. Now we get 4z equals to 12. Step 2. Divide by 4. Z is now revealed. Z is equal to 3. You're now a math ninja master. Now, brace yourselves for the grand finale, solving equations with variables on both sides. It's like a math symphony, where we balance both sides to find the harmony. Our first challenge: 2x plus 7 equals to x plus 15. Start by subtracting x from both sides. Now we have x plus 7 equals to 15. Then, subtract 7. Wow, look at that! X is right there in the spotlight. X is equal to 8 inch. Next up, let's conquer 3y plus 5 equals to 2y plus 10. Subtract 2y from both sides. We got y plus 5 equals to 10. Then subtract 5. Y is equal to 5. Final act: 4z plus 6 equals to 3z plus 9. Subtract 3z. We got z plus 6 equals 9. Then subtract 6. The grand finale: z steals the show. Z is equal to 3. You're now a math symphony conductor. And there you have it. Math champs. 1 step, 2 step, and even equations with variables on both sides. You've conquered them all. If you loved this math adventure, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more mind-blowing math magic. Until next time, keep those math wands waving, and happy learning.